Welcome back. So in the last couple videos, we were talking about describing a graph or matching a graph to a scenario. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to take a scenario and sketch the graph. So I'm going to look at the word problem, and I'm going to look for those keywords we talked about: increasing, or words that mean that we're increasing, decreasing, and are constant, or any words that relate to those three words. So like we're talking here about a model rocket, and this model rocket quickly rises. So rises quickly, that tells me that that's an increase. And the quickly tells me that it's going to be a semi-steep increase. And then it slows to a stop as its fuel burns out. And then it begins to fall quickly. So that's going to be a decrease. Oops. Until the parachute opens. That's going to be important information. After which it falls slowly being the key word there, back to Earth. So what sketch of the graph could represent the height of the rocket during its flight, and then label each section? So we know our y value is going to be our height, and then our x value is going to be time. We don't have specifics, so we're not really like going with like from this time to this time we are increasing and then we decrease. We just know that we increase quickly, and then we're going to stop increasing because we run out of fuel, and then start, quickly decreasing. So our rocket starts at the ground, which would be 0. So we're going to start here at 0, 0. We blast off, so we rise quickly, and then we're going to hit our run out of gas. Sorry, I was trying to get it to become one more line again. We run out of gas and we start to decrease. It starts speeding quickly, and then the parachute pops, and we end up decreasing at a slower rate until we hit Earth. So then it wants us to label each section. So like this section would be our rises quickly. No, don't cancel. Ugh, I dislike when that happens. All right, let's pull this back up. There we go. Rises quickly. And then right here in the middle, that's where we stop rising. When you get into algebra, or into algebra 2, that was where I was going for that, we would call this a no, now I'm not going to think of it. When it comes back to me, I'll bring it back up. Here we are decreasing quickly. D helps if I can spell. Decreasing quickly. Now, at this point here, that's where the parachute opened. And we decrease slowly. And then down here where we hit back onto our x-axis, that is where we landed. And so that describes, and for each of us, our rise quickly may be slightly off from each other. It's just using what we know about our quantities to tell a story using a graph. That's really what it is and what it is doing for us. And that's how we sketch a graph using what we are given. If we're honest, everything you're going to be doing is going to be matching given the information either in a paragraph or match, but you're definitely matching graphs. But this would be if you needed to sketch one yourself. Until next time, 8th graders.